Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, will be super helpful to any of you that own a Mazda vehicle. Guys, if you have any Mazda such as Mazda 2, 3, 5, Mazda 6, Mazda CX-3, CX-5, CX-7 or CX-9, guys, and you have, guys, okay, you experience water in the front right, okay, floor mat, or the carpet gets wet, guys, especially summertime, even when it doesn't rain outside. We're going to explain what causes that. It's super simple fix, guys, and it usually takes just a few minutes. So, we guys have more than 200 videos on this car. Our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. So, please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below. We're constantly adding new vehicles to the channel as well. Let me show you what I'm talking about here now. Okay, we have this Mazda, guys, and now I can show you what causes that problem to have water on your floor mat. Okay, on the front right side usually. On the passenger side, the carpet or the floor mat will get really wet, especially summertime on hot days when you use your AC. And we'll explain what is doing that now. Engine is out of the way. This is the body of that Mazda, and pretty much any car, guys, okay, any newer car nowadays has air conditioner. Okay, and let me explain to you now. Okay, you have those two pipes here, that's for the heater. Okay, that's for the heater right there. And then we have, guys, two more for the AC. Okay, this is for the AC little condenser evaporator that's behind the dash. Now this thing gets extremely hot and extremely cold, and in hot weather it will condensate, it will create water. And that water, you know, when you have your car running usually under the vehicle, you're going to notice a puddle of water. That's the condensation from the air compressor, AC compressor. Now if that water, okay, if the pipe for that water that gets out is plugged, what will happen? That water actually will stay inside the cabin and it will flood the front right carpet and the floor mat there, and you will experience that wet smell and the carpet will be really wet. What is causing that now? Right under the AC evaporator right here, guys, okay, coming down, you have one drainage. Okay, that drainage right here is where that water comes out of. Now this one is made to where, okay, it's supposed to open from the outside to the from the inside to the outside, so the water can come out and dust, contamination, dirt doesn't go in. But you can see if you squish it like that, it opens quite a bit. Now what happens, guys, those will seal closed like that sometimes. They will plug up, and as a result that water cannot get out and it's going to flood your carpet. That's what's causing the problem. So all we have to do usually, guys, okay, you can go ahead, remove that thing, clean it, okay, clean it like that. You can see, clean it in water, make sure that it's not plugged up, make sure that this pipe is not plugged up, and go ahead, guys, and install it. This one will be pretty much, guys, okay, the whole procedure to fix that problem. That's not very complicated at all. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.